32,000. What year is this thing?
19.
19?
Yeah, I drive it.
No, that's exactly.
I'm not afraid to put miles on it.
Did you paint the calipers yourself, or did it come with it?
No, we painted it.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah, changed. We did a lot of things. Well, not a lot, but oops, wrong one. Painted a little bit on the inside too, and
Wow. That's awesome. Any other work done with this baby? Or pretty much that's
no.
pretty happy with
I
it?
want to change this because I got to put something in front of here because all the little gets in there and this gets all dirty. And
Yeah.
might change the pulley on it. I don't know. I already have a 10-second car, so we'll see.
Well, yeah.
Yeah, but you want a 9-second car.
That's how many. It'll go so many years, so many kilometers. Then you're like, yeah, okay, a pulley. It's new again. And
Yeah, yeah.
Purple power.
oh yeah. You and your purple.
I'm
Yeah.
gonna put something else, but we'll wait on that one first. Put my plates on in a time. I don't even know where they are.
Fair.
Is that my back plate on? That's it? Yeah. To add some stuff here and getting there. All in good time.
Those covers look awesome though.
Yeah.
Yeah, that turned out great.
Took them right off and painted them.
Yeah.
Like high temp paint or engine paint or something like that?
Color matched to the car.
Yeah. Okay.